Alright, let's talk financial freedom. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. This is your ultimate step-by-step guide. First, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Next, educate yourself. Learn the basics of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Open a brokerage account and start small. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Consider dollar cost averaging, invest a fixed amount regularly. Be patient and consistent, wealth creation takes time. Reinvest your earnings, compound interest is your best friend. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. That's it. You're on your way to financial freedom.